Welcome to McKenzie Orthopedics, where mobility meets excellence. Today, I'm happy to introduce you to our specialized program dedicated to restoring your bone, muscle, and joint health. When your bones, muscles, and joints hurt, even the simplest task can feel daunting. That's where our orthopedic experts step in. From ankle injuries to arthritis, we provide comprehensive care to help you regain mobility and live life with less pain. Whether it's a sports injury or chronic joint pain, we offer non-surgical and surgical treatments tailored to your unique needs. Our goal is to get you back to your active lifestyle as quickly and safely as possible. Our clinic offers assessment, physical therapy referrals, and pain relief injections, while our hospital campus provides advanced diagnostic testing and surgical procedures. From arthroscopic surgeries to total joint replacements, our skilled surgeons use the latest techniques to ensure optimal outcomes for our patients. Ready to take the first step towards better bone, muscle, and joint health? Call us at 810-648-6113 to schedule your appointment today. You can trust McKenzie Orthopedics for expert care and personalized treatment plans designed to get you back on your feet.